Hey there, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I will show you how to make vegan chicken korma. Korma is a mild Mughalite curry and is very popular in Indian restaurants all over the world. To make it vegan, I'm using soya chunks. Now you can also use tofu like I did in my vegan butter chicken recipe. I'll link to that recipe in the description below. Also, I'm using freshly grated coconut to make the curry paste. If you can't find fresh coconut, you can substitute it with full fat coconut milk, about half a tin. Before I move on to the recipe, guys, I'll appreciate a lot if you subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me to keep making more videos for you all. Thank you.